everyone, welcome back to my channel, The Dramatic Learning. Today we are going to do CH words. Let's see what is the sound of CH. The sound of CH is ch. Now let's see what are the words that begin with CH. Like here you can see chair, champion, child, cherry. Now let's see what are the words that has CH in the middle. Like here you can see kitchen, matches, itching. Now, here are the words that end with the letter CH. Like here, teach. The way I am teaching you, teach. Beach. Reach. So that was all about CH words. Now what you have to do? You have to like my videos, share my videos and subscribe to it. Stay tuned. I'll be soon starting a series of